loves, it's Brianna. Welcome to today's Decorate With Me video. We are transforming my daughter Presley. She's 7 years old. Her room is currently a Disney princess theme room and she wants a big girl room. She wants it to be a Taylor Swift beach vibes room. So we're combining those two themes to make this into her big girl room. We're getting some new furniture because she currently has a twin size bed and she's in her sleepover era. So we need a bigger bed for friends to be able to crash in when they come for sleepovers. And it's just crazy to me. If you have followed along since we moved into this house, I mean, we made this her nursery, put up the wallpaper, and then eventually it turned into the princess room. And now we're gonna be taking the wallpaper down, painting the walls. I'll kind of show you the inspo we had. We made a little mood board for what she wants this room to become. So I hope you enjoy this Decorate With Me video. Click the thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed while you're watching. So here's the before Presley's room. First step is we're gonna be getting rid of her old bedroom furniture and refreshing it with a big girl bed. So I'm just gonna take off all this princess bedding. I actually sold these the day I listed them on Facebook Marketplace, and I just listed the bedroom furniture. So if you're in my area or know someone looking for girl bedroom furniture, I'm selling this bedroom set as well.
I don't get around, but there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found.
CrossFit workout.
About you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die.
I'm gonna take this downstairs in a minute, but I got all the other furniture out of here. I still have to take down everything on the walls though. But my furniture that I ordered came in so fast. I thought I was gonna be able to paint everything before it came, but it came in way sooner than I expected. But a huge thank you to Article for sponsoring today's video. That's where I ordered Presley's new bedroom furniture from. Article is just the easiest way to create a beautiful modern space. They have beautiful style, quality craftsmanship, and it's an online only model, so they have delightful prices. They have everything from mid-century modern to coastal, industrial, Scandi, boho, which was perfect for the vibe of Presley's room and wonderful if you're looking to update your home too. Like I mentioned, my furniture came in way faster than I was expecting, and with Article, if you order in-stock items, they're usually delivered within 2 weeks or less. I couldn't believe I was getting the call already that my furniture had come in and was ready to be delivered. But let me quickly show you the pieces that I got from Article for Presley's room so you can see what I'm talking about when it comes to style and quality. So first off, her new bed is from Article. I just love that mauve color, and it truly is, if you could feel it, it's just really good quality. Same thing with her new nightstand. I just love the style of this. It's really cool too. It has that storage. And again, just a really nice high quality piece I know will last her for a long time. Got this little basket because it has the boho beach vibes, just like the mirror does. And then I got this really cute rug from Article too. But you see what I mean. All of the pieces are so on trend, so stylish, so high quality. So be sure to check out Article if you're looking to update the style around your home. You can either use the link down in my description box below or the QR code on my screen, and you get $50 off any purchase of $100 or more from Article. All right, now let's get all the wall decorations taken down. There was a lot of screws in the wall to hold everything in place, so I had a lot of things to unscrew and then had to do a little wall repair before painting it as well.
Yeah, loving me was all you tried when you were around. I've been told too many times now, but somewhere I'll go and hide, looking for a new start. Yeah, somewhere I'll go and hide, looking for a new start, for a new start. Looking for a new, looking for a new, looking for a new, looking for a new. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down, don't wanna be stuck in this town. Don't wanna be looking for a new start. Looking for a new start. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down. Looking for a new start. Can't you see that I just need to be by myself? I have told you, man.
Does anyone remember Presley's name reveal? I used these letters in that YouTube video and then have, used them as decoration here in her room ever since. But we are on to a new era in here. But just wait until you see the paint colors. Presley is the one who picked them, and it turned out so nice. Like, ever since painting her room this past week, I find myself going in it and just feeling so calm every single time I'm putting away her laundry or, go to put something else away in her room. But you'll see it soon. And for now, we're just getting this space ready to paint. All right, pretty much everything is out of here now besides the furniture. I'm just going to push it in the middle of the room for when I paint. I'm trying to take down the wallpaper. So what I've been doing is using the steamer and just kind of steaming it off right now. Yeah, it's gonna take a while. Okay, here are my wallpaper removal tips. If you find yourself in a position of needing to take down wallpaper, definitely steam the wallpaper. And what was happening with this particular type of wallpaper, which I would say was the more traditional kind of wallpaper, it was super thick. It is not that peel and stick kind, which, I think would be the route I would go in the future if I ever had the desire to wallpaper again. But, pregnancy hormones, this was the one I wanted. And it's like actual wall glue. So what was happening was the top layer would come off with the steamer. So I would steam it, could peel the top layer off. But then the bottom layer that had that adhesive on it was really stuck to the wall. But I learned this trick from my handyman, who I ended up calling in. Take a towel, soak it in water, and then wet that bottom layer and really make sure it is saturated. Like, you want it to be really, really wet. Then steam it, and then that's what got the bottom layer to peel off much easier. It still took a lot of time. I think he was here from 10 to 3, so it took 5 hours, but that was the method that was working the best. Still a very daunting project though. I definitely should have budgeted more time for this project because it was not as easy as I thought it would be.
I just wanna love you till the day I die.
Kailua playing with the paper. You're silly. Can you help me take down the wallpaper, please? She's like, no, I'll just come mess everything up more. Highly, highly regretting the decision to wallpaper this room right now. Also just regretting that I didn't hire somebody to come do this for me, because that just took me forever. I seriously think just that one little block right here took over 10 minutes. Send help. I found this scraper thing in my garage, so I'm hoping maybe this will help a little bit. We'll see.
I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better.
FYI, the scraper sort of helped. I mean, honestly, not that much. I was getting more off when I used my fingernails.
I wanna take you there. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you make
That was a good one. All right, day 2. I did have a professional come out and help remove all the wallpaper because it was taking so long. It took me like 2 hours just to do one little section. And yeah, so now I've taped everything off and I started priming the walls because for the colors I wanted to paint it, I don't want like the bright pinks to be showing through. The bottom is going to be a white. I think the white I went with is called Alabaster. It's a Sherwin-Williams color. And then the top, Presley wanted it to be a blue. So it was called Sky Zone. It's like a very pale, pale blue. So I wanted to do the primer first. That's what I'm doing right now. We're gonna finish it up. All right, so at this point, I'd gotten everything taped off and the walls repaired. So now I was just priming the walls. Now, with primer, it doesn't have to be perfect. You just want whatever color that is on the walls to be covered so that when you roll on the new paint color, the color underneath isn't showing through and discoloring the new paint color. Especially if there's a darker or like brighter color on your walls and then you're painting lighter colors, you don't want that color to be seen through. So that's why it's really important to prime the walls.
I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head, don't feel my spark between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
And I needed to sand down the areas a little bit where the wall needed to be repaired so that it would be nice and smooth. And then I'm just going over those areas with the primer as well. Everything has been primed. So now I've got the second paint color. It's Alabaster, and I'm gonna start painting the base. This Alabaster color is just a really nice white color. If you're looking to have a more blank slate in a room, I know that's usually what I tend to go for, is more neutral wall colors, because then I'll pick more colorful furniture or really colorful decor, since I like to change everything up for the seasons. So this is a really great wall color if you're looking for a nice neutral creamy white. We are now on to day 3 of working on Presley's room. Again, I did not budget enough time for this project. I thought it was going to take me like 2 days, but you know, let's hope improvement for you. So now painting the top part of the wall, and again, this color is called Sky High. I said it wrong earlier, Sky High from Sherwin-Williams. And as I painted it, it looked really light. I was actually a little nervous, like, oh no, like, you know, because you're choosing between a couple and there was one that was a little bit darker. But as it dried, it actually did get darker, you will see. But Presley, she loves the 1989 album cover. And that was, you know, the overall inspo for this room because it's Taylor, but beachy.
Nighttime is What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers.
So I let the walls dry for half a day and then came back in to take off all of the tape. And as you can see, the blue did dry a little bit darker than when I was rolling it on. And I just love how it turned out.
Nighttime is something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. We come alive. Tell me that you want me.
All the blue tape down off the walls and furniture back in place. That's actually going to be replaced. I need to find some kind of like a desk vanity for over there. I've got the nightstand, the bed, and you can kind of see then on this wall, I got this hanging chair swing that I need to install there. And then I want to get a dresser here and then put that circle mirror that I got over it. And I took down the blinds from up there and I want to get blinds and then curtains for in here too. So I'm gonna do some decorating in the next video in here and I will be able to show you the final room in part 2. Really do, I love how the paint color turned out in here. So again, the blue is called Sky High and the base wall color was Alabaster. And I think it's a really nice white. I actually have another can of it, so I might use it for down in the downstairs in the one dining room that I've been debating painting too. And Coley, my little supervisor, just chilling over there. I don't know how she's gonna be 16 next month. It's crazy. My little best friend's been there for everything for me. All right, I just showered. I think I got most of the paint off of me. Let my hair air dry. Had so much running around to do today because I think if you watched my last video, I explained my kids have literally every single day, Monday through Sunday, like no weekends off, no days off, some activity, practice, game, whatnot. So today we had to go like put signs for the football players that the cheerleaders made in the football players' yards. And then I had to take, let's see, Presley had soccer, then she had a gymnastics camp. There's just been like so much, but make sure you're subscribed, have your notifications turned on so that you know when the room reveal is live. It's gonna still be like a decorate with me because I obviously have a lot of decor to, you know, do in here. But we'll be doing that in the next video and you'll get to see the reveal and Presley's reaction when she sees her new beachy Taylor Swift room. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, loves.